Rocky Mountain Technical Marketing, RMTM, recognizes that even the best technology is insufficient on its own to ensure success. Accordingly, we have put together a team with the skills, experience, and motivation to make our supply chain integrity solution successful in the market. RMTM assembles a strong team to ensure our success that leverages resources outside the company itself. RMTM fields a strong team that includes veteran executive team, strategic partner for marketing, close alliance with industry, and experienced advisors. Jeff Stolman and Martin Mateve conceived of RMTM's supply chain integrity solution in early 2015. They've nurtured this concept into a viable product through a series of proofs of concept. Both have both technical and business expertise and have been through the startup process before. The two have experience working together on previous projects over recent years and form an effective collaborative team. Jeff Stolman is a polymath who has led teams developing solutions for the U.S. Department of Defense, National Security Agency, and other commercial clients as Pfizer, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Merrill Lynch, and U.S. Bank. Mr. Stolman is a senior-level executive with a track record of overcoming complex multicultural business and technical challenges. He's a visionary leader experienced in developing innovative technologies and turning around critical situations. He's managed program efforts valued in the hundreds of millions of dollars. He's negotiated agreements of 22 nations in a global solution for a Fortune 500 company. He harmonized technical IT outsourcing solution across 34 countries. He restructured management and repositioned a plastics manufacturer from a low-margin OEM to a high-margin aftermarket supplier. And he has experience transferring operations and divesting divisions. Here's a list of some of the technical expertise he possesses and has used in the past. Martin Mateve is our Chief Technical Officer. He's a technologist with a wide range of technical skills, including solution design, software development on platforms ranging from enterprise systems to mobile apps, lifecycle management, and research. Capable of rapidly understanding and leveraging novel technologies, he's a perfect person for the role. He's responsible in the past for designing, building, and scaling the entire technology stack, including consumer-facing website, to a 15 million unique visits a month application. He developed a website and back-end publishing system with a Model View Controller PHP framework. He's hosted and managed entire tech stack on Amazon Web Services. He's developed and launched search engine based on Sphinx. He's developed internal tools for editing team to track viral news in real time. And he's adopted new and emerging technologies widely. In business, his expertise he's been a member of multiple successful startups. He understands customer relationship management, general business processes, and innovation management. Martin has a unique ability to quickly grasp and integrate new technologies that can supplement the capabilities of our solutions. RMTM recognizes that as critical as is our executive team, we need to extend our team to be successful. We are in the process now of negotiating with potential strategic partners. These consist of large, globally recognized firms that have entrees into many of the larger firms that we are targeting, and large technical marketing teams to support our diverse global efforts. Teaming with us provides them access to certain clients who do not currently use their products or services, new revenue streams providing ancillary services to support deployment of our solution, sales commissions for bringing us customers, and some of the candidate firms can earn revenue from hosting our solution. For us, We get the credibility of these prestigious firms. We are able to leverage their sales and marketing teams to be able to sell on a much faster basis through a global organization, and access to their current client relationships. To ensure success, we also work closely with our client industries to understand the full range of requirements and issues that we need to address with our solution. We have current industry champions in the pharmaceutical industry and are in the process of reaching out to other industries, both domestic and international, to develop a solution capable of supporting all industries with front-end processes tailored to each target industry. Currently, we're working with several pharma firms to fund a pilot that can be used not only to assure themselves of the viability of the solution, but also to convince others in the industry to participate. Not only will this lower costs per firm, but the more expansive is our coverage, the more valuable our solution becomes to public health, to regulators such as the FDA, and to the firms in the industry suffering both economic and reputational damage from bad products. Because the founders have extensive experience in the startup arena, we already have accumulated a cadre of experienced advisors with substantial expertise in funding, developing, and successfully executing new businesses centered around novel uses of technology. We continue to leverage our current advisors and seek additional expertise as necessary to carry us through the various stages of new business development. Once the company obtains sufficient financing, we intend to include several of these advisors on our board of directors. That's our winning team. For further information, here is our contact information. Thank you very much for listening.